Using text-to-speech in Pictory AI is very easy to do. Today, I'm going to show you how to do it. So, first what you need to do is to open any browser in your system and search Pictory AI. As you can see, my Pictory AI site is already pinned here. So, I will click on it. Its screen will appear. Here at the left side, in the script to video, click on Proceed. Script editor will appear. Click on Enter your video name. Enter your script title here. Now click on Start Typing here. Now write your script here. You can also copy-paste your script from somewhere else too. Once you are done with the script, click on Proceed. A variety of templates will appear. Choose according to your choice. I will choose this one. Now click on 16.9 to select an appropriate ratio. The video is being made. You can also see total number of scenes here. After the loading is completed, here at the left side you can check each scene separately. You can also set each scene's duration and ratio. Next step that you have to do is to add audio in the script. Click on Audio. Click on VoiceOver. Now you can choose language that you want. Click on Male if you want audio in male voice, otherwise female. Check voices and select one. Click on Apply. Click on Screen Preview to see each scene of video. Now you have to click on Download. Then click on Video. The audio and video are now being generated. Now your video is completed. Click on My Project to view it. In this way you can use text-to-speech in Pictory AI.